Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook steamed spare ribs with black pepper. This recipe is super easy and the spare ribs are so delicious. Hope you will like it. So now let's start cooking. We first need to marinate the spare ribs. Add some black pepper, some salt, some cornstarch, 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of dark soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, some honey, mix well and let it marinate for 15 minutes. Now use a steamer to steam it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take it out from the steamer. Add some scallions onto the top. It is ready. Super easy, right? Try it and you won't regret it. This is today's cooking recipe. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you guys soon.